your go-to spot for making money online and staying ahead in the world of digital finance. So guys, today we are diving into one of the hottest topics right now, earning money online through cryptocurrency and investing in meme coins. So whether you're a beginner or already know the basics, this video is going to cover how you can leverage cryptocurrency to start earning from the comfort of your home. From trading to stocking, mining, and even earning passive income, crypto is creating new opportunities every day, and I'm here to show you how to take advantage of them. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips. Alright guys, let's get started. So guys, welcome to the world of Zord, a rare crystalline currency straight from the quantum mines of Planet X742. This is not an ordinary token, it's a key to interdimensional trade and innovation led by none others than the legendary Mr. Zordla. So who is Mr. Zordla? Let's see about him. So known across multiple dimensions as the ultimate deal maker, he's been quietly shaping interstellar commerce for centuries. From mentoring Benjamin Franklin on electricity to influencing Nikola Tesla, his impact on humanity is unmatched. So look what they have written about this. Now thoughtful multiple dimension as the ultimate deal maker, Mr. Zotla has been quietly shaping interstellar commerce for centuries. Originally from X742, he emerged as a key figure in the interdimensional trade, bridging gaps between civilizations that didn't even know the other existed. Historical archives reveal that Mr. Zotla played a key role in advancing Earth's knowledge of science and trade. His insight bridged gap between civilizations that didn't exist or token itself. Let's scroll it down. So guys, let me tell you, it is a crystalline currency forged in the quantum mines of planet X742. These crystals take a millennium to form and have become the backbone of interdimensional trade, and in 2024, Earth got its first glimpse of Zord during the serious incident when a quantum breach brought this mysterious currency to our world. The Zord token is gaining traction fast with secure dimensional liquidity metrics and no quantum energy loss during transfer. It's perfectly designed for seamless trade. Assess dimension, the price. Let me show you. So guys, the price chart is looking bullish as early investors and believers really behind these groundbreaking projects. So what next for Zord? Here is the glimpse of the future. So let me show you their phases first. But guys, before we can see here quantum economics, 1 billion stabilized, null and decentralized. Void transaction null and neural control matrix is decentralized. So let's see more about quantum time. And here you can see check its phases. In phases 1, dimensional gateway activation with the meager DEX listing and community building. In phase 2, you can see stocking NFT collection and expanded partnership. In phase 3, we can see here, let's see it. Yes, in phase 3 we can see here cross-chain bridges and the launch of Zotla's own DEX. Phase 4 and 5 entering the game universe with a P2E features, metaverse integration and interdimensional dominance. So, but Zord is not just about technology, guys. It's about building a community that transcends dimension. Whether you are an investor, a gamer, or a sci-fi enthusiast, Zord offers something truly unique. So, guys, here you get every necessary link from the both of the website to buy it in this currency. So guys, here you can see its price, liquidity 14k dollars, FDV 14k, market cap is also 14k. Here you can see its total buys and sales, 67 buys and 113 sales, buy volume and sale volume. Check here, you can check here. So you can check also every activity doing by the people and who are buying and selling this token in every minute and every second. So guys, here you can see total holders 173, which are very strong. And now let me show you how to buy this token. So first of all, you have to come to the website and then click on the redeem button and you will be redirected to here, and you have to confirm and understand and confirm. So simply you have to connect your wallet here and enter the amount in Sol that you want to buy this token. Like I want to buy in 1 Sol, and here I will get it. Also, don't forget to join them on Telegram. Here you can see its strong community, which is contain of 111964 members. So, guys, this is more than a token; it's a movement. Step into the future of interdimensional trade and join the Zord Chronix today. Together, we will reshape the quantum economy. Let's go, Zord fam! Let's fucking go! So, guys, thanks for watching the video completely. Hope this video is beneficial for you. See you in the next video.